Curious to see what his look like. Whoa.
It's fantastic. It does.
Holy Hey there friends, it's Vanessa. Welcome back to my channel and happy holidays. I'm so excited to share another holiday video with you guys. It's my favorite time of year. So we have done following a Bob Ross tutorial on Illustrator. We've done it on a tiny canvas and now we're taking it to a whole nother medium, gingerbread. So I thought it'd be fun to try a holiday version of following a Bob Ross tutorial on a medium that is far out of my realm or close to my realm, but in this case, it's far out of my realm. So today I have all the icing here that are hopefully the colors that we need. I have my giant log of gingerbread and my tool, which is this offset spatula, which I'm hoping is actually gonna function and work how I want it to. And we're gonna follow this Bob Ross tutorial and see how this goes. I am completely terrified, but we're just gonna see what happens. All right, let's go. Also, I've never used an offset spatula before. I've only seen my sister use it, so I'm just pretending I know what I'm doing. And layer on this. Okay, I'm just gonna turn it. Doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. It tastes good. I'm sure this all will taste good in the end. There's just gonna be a ton of frosting on it. So I want to know, if you guys let me know down below, if you are a gingerbread fan or if you are a frosted sugar cookie person. Because not everyone's a gingerbread person. And I totally get that. I was never a gingerbread person until later in life. All right, I think we're good. I think we're good on that. happy little sticks. I love how the one that I made the least amount of color for is the one that I'm using the most. Honestly, this isn't half bad. Because a lot of these highlights I can't do just of how it responds, but this isn't half bad. Beautiful. Yeah, I can't do the window pane thing, but here's the scene and I'm gonna sign it. Just gonna do my initials because that's all I can do.
Than one that you produce with your own hand. From all of us here, I'd like to wish you happy painting. God bless, my friend.
Woo! Okay. So we did it. Well, I did it. I'm actually pretty impressed. Like, I came into this having really low expectations, just knowing how frosting responds. And yes, I know this is horribly miscolored, but it tastes good. It tastes so good. But yeah, like, I'm pretty impressed with myself. Here's the, hold on. I love sweets and frosting, don't blame me. But here's the finished product. Like, I don't think it's that half bad, considering the frosting was wet the entire time and I didn't let it dry. And that this was the first time I used offset spatula. Yeah, not too bad, not too shabby. Unfortunately, I cannot send this to anyone. I'm just gonna consume it between myself and my friends. So, yeah, this was fun. This was a fun little challenge, a happy little challenge. So, what else should I Bob Rossify? How should I follow his next tutorial that I decide to find and use a different medium with? Let me know down below because I'd love to hear your comments and suggestions. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Super exciting news. We have merch for the podcast. If you don't know about the podcast, head over to last week's video where then you can listen to our latest podcast episode and you can learn all about it, about the amazing journey of all these amazing small business owners that I interview. And we just talk about different conversations that are not talked about very much in the small business realm, because you're not given a guidebook for this. So I'm helping give you a guidebook. You're welcome. But we finally have merch. I'm so excited about it. Make sure you head to the link in the description to grab yourself some. We have sweatshirts, we have hoodies, we have tote bags, we have t-shirts, stickers, mugs, like whatever you could think of, we have. And I'm so excited. Make sure you snag one of them for the holidays. A great thing to keep you warm and a great thing to give to someone else to be like, hey, this is a podcast I love, you should watch it, and here's a shirt. So there you go, gift ideas already for you. And you can follow me on Vanessa Jordan Photo on Instagram. You can head over to my website to check out all the other things I have in store, to see my work, to see any education opportunities that I have for you guys, as well as to shop the other things that I have in store. But make sure you give this video a like if you like it, and make sure you subscribe because this really helps the channel grow and you can join the Vanessa Jordan Photography family. And until next time, bye guys.